Getting a YouTube app on IGTV is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Instagram TV is a standalone app for watching long-form, vertical videos created by users on Instagram. At that time, there wasn't a direct integration for the YouTube app within IGTV. Users generally access YouTube separately on their devices. To watch YouTube videos on Instagram, you could share a link to a YouTube video in your Instagram stories or feed. Here are the general steps. Launch the YouTube app on your device. Locate the YouTube video you want to share on your Instagram TV. Tap on the share button below the video, and then select the option to copy the link. Switch to the Instagram app on your device. In your Instagram stories or feed, create a new post or story. Paste the YouTube video link into the captions or use the link sticker to share the YouTube video on your Instagram account.